Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated, right? So I'm going to just go ahead and start looking for the Facebook app and basically double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back to the Instagram. And as you can see right here, this is like the Instagram feed and everything. Just go ahead and click on your menu at the below right corner and click on your profile at the top left. And from here, you're going to see the cover photo right here. I've added one, right? So if I wanted to change it, just go ahead and click the camera icon. And from here, I'm going to just go ahead and upload the photo, right? And I'm going to just allow access to my photos right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to, start looking for something, let's say, for example, let's say I want to pose something like this, right? So I'm going to hit done right here at the top. And basically, you can change, the size and everything and hit save at the top right, and basically refresh to apply the settings and everything. And as you can see right here, we changed the photo. And scroll a little bit down right here, and you will see right here that I have posted this cover photo. Now if I wanted to change the setting, click the three dots next to my post, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click hide from my profile. And basically what's gonna happen after you click on hide, you're gonna see right here this post is no longer shown on your timeline, so no one will be able to see it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.